New at 5, the sun was out today in the disaster areas of Florida and North Carolina, but the cleanup is coming with some really harsh financial realities.
Yeah, it's really tough to kind of accept this, right? Because experts are saying that some property owners in both states may be forced to give up and move out for good, leave their homes that they've been in for a long time. Our environment and climate reporter Scott Broom has been looking at how all of this may also impact your insurance premiums.
Homeowners insurance has shot up 20% nationwide as one natural disaster after another costs insurers billions.
Unfortunately, the insurance industry is under tremendous pressure.
Jeff Schlegelmilch is a scholar at Columbia University and the author of 2 books on disaster readiness and response. He says back-to-back hurricanes are another wake-up call.
It's really a matter of where we want to live and what we're willing to pay for it, but we have to be more honest with ourselves about what that's going to take up front. It's going to cost more, it's going to take more effort.
One glaring problem: flood maps published by the Federal Emergency Management Agency that have not been updated to reflect new threats from climate change. Those maps are really important because mortgage lenders and insurance companies rely on them to judge risk. Now thousands of North Carolina flood victims are finding out they're not covered. Less than 1% of them had flood insurance.
Yeah, you walk into a place that you know what it looks like and then it's not there.
We're not expecting, obviously to replace the house or anything off of any sort of insurance money.
A government bailout for the uninsured victims may be required. Many insurers are now refusing to do business in states like California and Florida because of fires and floods. Florida has state-backed insurance, but the program is already in financial trouble. Rates elsewhere, like in coastal communities in Maryland, are seeing skyrocketing rates for some types of coverage. Schlegelmilch says it's all an example of the costly disruption caused by climate change.
Now, if you can't get insurance, you can't get a loan. If you can't get a loan, you can't buy a house. If you can't get a loan to buy a house, you can't sell your house. And then that has cascading effects on housing prices. Should we retreat from areas exposed to hazards, or should we shore them up? And it turns out neither answer is right. That some areas it's just too expensive to stay, you have to move back, and others there's too much infrastructure already there and you have to build it up. So it's an elusive answer. And the other thing I would say too is you can't really outrun the hazards that we're facing.
Losses from Hurricanes Helene and Milton combined are likely to reach well over $80 billion, according to widely varying estimates. More upward pressure on insurance premiums for all of us is the likely outcome. Scott Broom, WUSA 9.